Welcome to the video on how to show polygon data in Power BI. We will connect to the neighborhoods GeoJSON endpoint of a session in the Tygron platform. With current situation selected in the ribbon bar, hover over Administrative and under Neighborhoods, select Export GeoData. In this panel, make sure the format is set to GeoJSON. Next, if the coordinate reference system is not set to EPSG 4326, click on the Edit link next to the CRS. Once opened, if the CRS is not on the Quick Selection list, type the following number 4326 and press Enter. Once loaded, select the CRS in the table and click Select to continue. Next, find the GeoJSON endpoint option and click on the Copy URL button. Now open the Power BI desktop application and create a new Power BI project. First, we will add a new web connection. Under Get Data, select Web. In the URL field, paste the URL we have previously copied and select OK to continue. The Power Query Editor will open. By default, the table is constructed automatically. Click on the Close and Apply button. Next, we will need to import a new visual from the Power BI store named Icon Map. To add a new visual, click on the three dots button named Get More Visuals in the Visuals tab and select Get More Visuals. In the Power BI Visuals panel, click on the search field and type Icon. Once the app page has loaded, click on the Add button to add this visual to your Power BI project. Next, click on the Icon Map button to add the visual. To visualize overlays with this visual, we first have to visualize data points on this visual that are located in the same location as the overlays. We will use the neighborhoods in our Tygron project for this purpose. Now inspect the Data tab and unfold the Neighborhood Data connection. Find the name attribute and drag it to the category field of the Icon Map visual. Next, select a numerical attribute and drag it to the size field. The Icon Map should now show a map, but not yet shapes. Select Format Your Visual under Visualizations and unfold the GeoJSON section. First, click on the Off button to activate it. Next, paste the same URL that we used to create the table in the URL field. Notice that we use the coordinate reference system indicated with number 4326. Other coordinate systems currently do not work for shapes. The Icon Map should now show the neighborhoods of the session in the Tygron platform. Next, unfold the formatting section of the Icon Map. Click on the Conditional Formatting button under Fill Color. Once the formatting panel has opened, select the format style, Gradient. Next, select the field of the neighborhood data that you want visualize. Change the two colors. And click on OK to confirm. You have now learned how to show neighborhood polygon data of a project session in Power BI.